home, looking after dogs, grandchildren, something like that, they can tune into aeroviews and keep your eyes up high to the right-hand side, because it's time now to welcome Marinell and the pilot today, Isabel Rutland. What a wonderfully British, often related to American Squadron and American pilots, but it was British who in just 120 days put out the requirement to purchase more fighters. And the first of the Mustang range, the P-51, were initially built with Allison engines, and they weren't too sharp at all at higher altitudes, feeling a bit under power, despite them working okay at lower altitudes. So in 1942, fairly late on in that year, the fly really easy and provides for statement in the mythology of second aircraft having incredible range of 2,000 miles thanks to a huge fuel capacity of 1,000 litres internally plus 850 litres. Very impressive maximum level speed of just over 430 miles an hour at 25,000 feet and a max size of 500 miles an hour. It's a distinctive British airplane when Isabel took it to space. It was Isabel Rutland, who still championship herself and winning the Tiger approaches. And that was for any level in aerobatics during that particular competition. There were many others well undermining it, in addition to trying other heritage aircraft and aerobatic aircraft. She's current flight training other pilots of the Cirrus aircraft, and occasionally puts her toe into a side as well. A lovely, lovely single turbine engine aircraft made by Commander. Anella Stokes on the morning of the 13th of August 1944. Carried out a bombing operation well inside Fowlmere at 11:30 that morning. Afterwards, combat was mission and received heavy attempts on accurate. Very sadly, the Fighter Squadron, Lieutenant Winkleman, set out on another mission across to France and dive bombing escorting flying Marinell, but shot down approximately 18:30. Fighter, able to contact well, safely into the wild blue yonder.